Hello and welcome back to Diecast Graveyard. My name is Paul and I appreciate you joining me today. We have this 4 Horsemen build where we're paying tribute to world service people around the world. And it could be anything from military to police to fire department to EMTs, etc. And my tribute today is going to be to the bomb squad all around the world. I've got a lot of friends in the bomb squad. I've been a member of the bomb squad for over 45 years. And again, it's a very important part of our society, unfortunately. But we're going to have a lot of fun with this. So sit back and relax, grab your favorite adult beverage, and join in today as we pay tribute to world service. And again, that's for any country in the world. And mine today is the Bomb Squad. Let's go ahead and get started, please.
It's time to start the autopsy.
I've already drilled out the posts, so let's go ahead and take this apart. This is a more modern casting, but here we've got the body. We're going to have to dip that in the citrus strip. We'll get all the tampos off there. Here's the interior or the inner piece. Here's the base. We're definitely going to do a wheel swap on this. And here's the windshield, which incorporates the seats. Let's move on. Here we've got the body. We're going to dump that in the citrus strip, and we'll let that sit. Now I'm working on this Rolls Royce too, and we'll get that taken care of. We'll let that set for a while, then we'll get it out and we'll clean it. Here I've got it all cleaned up. Got it scrubbed down with Zepti greaser. Now I'm going to hit it with Tamiya Surface Primer. This is one of the few rattle cans that I use, and it's a very good product, and I recommend it highly. Here I've got it all painted up. Now I'm going to put my tampos on. Or my decals, I should say. This is the one for the back. And it's got the explosive transportation placard on there also. Now we just got to get it all lined up and in place. Be careful when you're using sharp tools like this because you can definitely rip the decal. Once you got it down, go ahead and use a Q-tip to blot it down to make sure it adheres. There we go, that's going to look good. Just blot it down so it fits into the little crevices of those doors. Here we've got an EOD Master Badge on here, which I'm proud to have this award. Let's go ahead and take it off in the other direction here. Make it a little easier to put on. Now the wording above the fender says ISSI UXO and Consulting LLC. This company is a bomb disposal company and it's owned by my friend Mike Sterling. He travels around the world rendering safe areas that were once used for explosives as far as bombing ranges, etc. And I've worked for him on several occasions, and his company is incredible. But this truck is to pay tribute to him. Get that all smoothed out there. Now we got a logo for the hood, and this is the ISSI logo. Get that all smoothed out. Now the only other thing we're going to put here in the back is another explosive placard. Usually when you transport explosives like this, you need to have that placard on all 4 sides of the vehicle. I'm only going to put it on 3. That's looking pretty good. We'll do the other side, but you get the general idea. Looking good. Here we're going to do a wheel swap. Now we took these old Hot Wheels off and we replaced them with Sam Ed wheels. Now these wheels are absolutely incredible. Check it out at samedwheels.com. These things look incredible. And it's definitely going to make this vehicle pop. All right, we have all the pieces. Here's the body. That turned out great. We put a coat of clear on there. There's the ISSI logo. That looks incredible. Here's the base with those new Sam Ed wheels. That looks great. Here's the windshield and seats. And here's the rest of the interior. Let's put everything together and give my creation life.
Lies! Lies, do you hear me? Give my creation life!
And here's what we started with, this Hot Wheels Bomb Squad truck. Now this thing looks cool by itself, but I wanted to go a little bit extra here for World Service Day. We took the vehicle apart, we stripped all the paint off and got rid of the tampos, we repainted it, we put some homemade decals on there to honor my friend in the bomb squad. And then we put it all back together. Now, like I always say, folks, you can do this too. Just follow the videos and follow everything we do, and you'll be able to ask questions and everything else. Now, make sure you check out my buddies' builds, Andrew at Maple Leaf Customs, Tom at Spork Syndicate, and Skip at Crossroad Diecast Speed Shop, and all the other builders who participated in the World Service Day. And there'll be a recap video here in the very near future. But this was incredible. And here's what we got. This turned out pretty good. I'm very happy with it. And I know my friend Mike is going to be happy too, because I'm going to box this up and I'm going to send it to him. But this looks incredible. It looks fantastic. I had a really good time doing this. Like I said, make sure you check out all the other Horsemen that participated in this build, and check out all the folks that participated in this build. I mean, do a hashtag search for 4 Horsemen Diecast, and you should be able to come up with who participated in these builds. But check them out, subscribe to their channels, and it's been a real good time today. I've truly enjoyed this. Our next build due the end of the month for the 4 Horsemen is a 2-car mashup. Take any 2 cars and combine them into one. This is going to be a lot of fun, and the guest horseman is Pete from Old Man Diecast. Send your glamour shot on the last day of the month to the 4 Horsemen Diecast at gmail.com. Submit a 16:9 high definition white background glamour shot, and we'll get it in the recap. And we also recognize all the people that participate in these 4 Horsemen builds too, with the Horseshoe Awards. So check that out and check out the recap videos, and it's a lot of fun, and we hope that you decide to participate in it also. Thank you so much for watching the 4 Horsemen builds. It was a lot of fun, and again, check out the 2-car mashup at the end of the month. And thanks again to our guest horseman, Paul from Fat Guy Productions. My name is Paul from Diecast Graveyard. Check out everybody else's build. Hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you, and cheers.